Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a density setup where we have the spring balance. You can use the digital balance also. One cylinders are there and one cylinder for the water is there. One collecting beaker is also provided. This comes with the stand. This is the setup to hang this spring balance. You can weigh, you can put one or two so that you can see how much it is, how much is the quantity with the weight, without weight, and how much is the quantity with the weight. You can adjust the zero setting also from here. First of all, this is the Archimedes principle where we had in the Roman time, or this Archimedes checked up how much is the actual weight of the product. You can say density of that. We are hanging now. What we do initially, we put the liter water in it so that the water is just pouring out, so just going out, and we do not use this water anywhere. Now we have to throw this water. We throw this water. You can do the same experiment with the digital balance also. We can measure how much is the weight. Now it is about 16 grams or 17 grams of the empty. Now what we do, if we lower this in this water, then due to the volume, this water will come out. See this, water is coming out, and you can just hang how much water has come out due to this hanging chain. You can adjust this so that the water is coming. But now the weight will change. This actual weight will, due to the density, this will become now 25 grams. In this, if we talk about the 100 scale, it is almost 25 grams. And now this water is to be weighted again. Now this water is 33. So you can know how much water has been displaced out of the volume. This volume has been displaced about 17 from 33, about 16 to 30, 17 or 18 ml of water has come out. Then you check up how much is the density of this by volume, and you can check up how much is the density by the weight of this either, or by the how much water it has displaced. Please, there are other methods also. You can go in detail with the Archimedes principle online, how he calculated the gold inside the body of a model. Now this is our website, www.abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another one is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9922222049. Another is 9416020018. You can buy different items. They have all physical experiments, chemistry, biology, model microscopes are available. Without, these are optional. This does not come with the setup. The price is there. Thank you very much.